gentlemen, welcome to the Munich Innovation Roadshow.
FPT's expansion in Germany is both timely and symbolic, not only contributing to the local economy, but also strengthening bilateral ties between our two nations.
So FPT is the leading company of ITs and AI's new technology. Today is special days, open the new office in Munich and continue together with all the customer here, our partner here, to accelerate and bring the new technology, the young talent from Vietnam, and cooperate with you to extend more and business and successful together. Thank you very much.
3, 2, 1, congratulations, FPT!
We put a lot of trust into Vietnam and FPT, 4 times growth. I hope we are going to drive innovation into the right direction. So thank you very much, and again a very warm welcome to FPT in Munich.